What's up guys, back in so I have a Lego shell injecting gun, and you might be wondering why my setup is a bit different, because my room is in the clean, and so here we have the Lego shell injecting single shoot pistol made out of Legos. The single shooter Lego pistol is actually pretty cool because you can shell inject, but only one. Don't mind the outside; it's pretty loud there. Shell injecting gun kind of looks like a Makarov to me, and yeah. Here's the thing, and here's how it shell injects. So how the mechanism? Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys through the things first, and then I'll show you guys the mechanism of how it actually works, like that. So sights, caulking bag thing, blowback, magazine, and yeah, that's it for this gun. Oh, trigger. There you go. So I'm gonna show you guys how to actually kinda like a tutorial, and yeah. So this gun is actually pretty simple, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this thing. So for this one, you need, oh my god, focus. You need this long piece. Oh my god, it's falling apart. This long piece. I think it's a 12 by 12, I think. Use that, and then use a 3x6 plate. And then for the other side, you can create this again, but mine has like these. So 3x6, 1x3, 5, 1x1, 1x4, or 2x4. Then this piece is a 1, which keeps the rubber band like in place like that. Okay, so this one is the back. And take this piece, 1x3, just like that. Put like that and like that. Then put like this. Now you guys got that. You guys gonna build this. So what you need to do is take this and basically you have to do 3 like this, 4, 3, and then 4 all the way, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you need 5 like so, and you need this piece like this, 3 like that, and then add this piece right here. So you guys gonna make this slide now. So the slide is very simple. You just need cats fighting outside. Things are falling apart. This one. And you need a 3 pin, like 1, 2, 3, and then you need that 2 thing to make this. Then long, like flat piece, then like this, like that, the back, side, focus, and then the front. It's like that, and then put this and this on top, like this, like that. So you got this. Time to build the magazine. Oh wait, one thing I forgot. God. You need this two-piece right here to actually make the mag go down. Okay, time to make the mag. So the magazine is kind of simple, but not really. You need two of those. Take this right here. And for this one, you need to be two like this, covering this and this. For the bullets, you can be focus. Can be that, this, or this. Can be three of those. And yeah. So now you got all these pieces. Let's assemble them. So take this piece, put it like this, okay? Like this. Take your magazine, actually put your magazine in first, like this. And push it down like this. And take your slide, put it down. And then when it clamps like this, that means your gun is cool. Good. Take a rubber band, put it like that, right here, where, and then take a rubber band, put it right on top of here, to here, to here, around here. Now, if you guys are like this, it kind of jams, but it's okay. Put one of your ammo in, like this, and then shoot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And it took me a long time, and I got to do like many tries. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.